Welcome to my channel, Smart Upgrades. Today we are reviewing the Cooper Cooler Rapid Beverage Chiller. If you're interested, the product link is located below in the description. Let us accept a dark truth about humanity. We can build complex financial analytics models and render stunning 3D animation loops, but we completely lack the foresight to put a beverage in the refrigerator before we actually want to drink it. The tragedy of settling in for a long-distance virtual movie night, only to realize your favorite energy drink is completely room temperature, is a modern nightmare. Because I refuse to drink lukewarm soda while trying to focus on advanced academic courses, I've been testing the Cooper Cooler Rapid Beverage Chiller for the past few weeks. In my experience, the traditional method of frantically wrapping a wet paper towel around a can and throwing it in the freezer only results in you forgetting about it until it explodes like a frozen grenade. What stood out to me about the Cooper Cooler is its sheer, undeniable speed. You simply dump in 2 trays of ice, add water, and it rapidly rotates your drink while spraying it with ice water. It chills a standard can to refrigerator temperatures in exactly 1 minute. It is the absolute ultimate enabler for those of us who demand instant gratification without having to do any actual forward planning. Here's where this product surprised me. It does not turn carbonated drinks into volatile weapons. You can pull a perfectly chilled energy drink out of the machine, crack it open immediately, and it won't violently spray all over your expensive desk setup. It also handles full-sized wine bottles in about 6 minutes, making it a massive lifesaver when you suddenly realize you forgot to chill the wine for your 1-year anniversary dinner. It features a dedicated no-spin button for delicate drinks and an automatic touchpad that shuts off the machine when the cycle is done, so you can safely ignore it. Comparing this to buying a bulky mini-fridge, the Cooper Cooler is an unbelievable space saver. It takes up a tiny footprint on your counter, giving you back precious refrigerator real estate. Now, a potential drawback is that it does require a constant supply of ice. You cannot just command the machine to freeze water with your mind. You have to physically provide the ice. It also sounds a bit like a tiny, angry washing machine while running. But honestly, if you are a busy professional, an overwhelmed student, or just someone who fundamentally rejects the concept of waiting hours for things to get cold, this is a spectacular time-saving tool. It brings premium convenience to your daily routine and rescues your beverages from room temperature. If you're interested, the product link is located below in the description.